So what's good about A22 low maintenance? A22 is a low maintenance mixture based around a perennial ryegrass. Most low maintenance mixtures are fescue based. Fescues are inherently low maintenance because they grow slowly and they're low nutrient tolerant, whereas perennial ryegrasses, although hard wearing and the base for most amenity mixtures, grow very quickly. A22 is unique in that it is based around a perennial ryegrass called CABRIO, specially bred for its slow regrowth once established. CABRIO is the top of table L1 for lawns and landscaping on the SRI list, and it enables A22 to be a perennial ryegrass based hard wearing but low maintenance mixture, allowing landscape architects to have their cake and eat it. Now, the important thing to remember when specifying A22 is that it only works because of the inclusion of CABRIO. Very often we see A22 plagiarised by a mixture including just any perennial ryegrass. If you include just any perennial ryegrass, that negates the whole point behind A22 and you'll no longer got a low maintenance mixture. So remember, if you want a hard wearing amenity mixture that's also low maintenance, A22 is the only option.